I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us try to understand how to find surface area of a rectangular prism. The question here is, calculate the surface area of a tissue box shown below. So here is a tissue box whose length is 10 centimeters, width is 5 centimeters, and height is 3 centimeters. We need to find the surface area of this box. So surface area means area from outside. So we have 6 rectangles, if you can see. This is the front and back. These are the two on the sides, right? Top and bottom. So these are 6 surfaces whose area we need to find. And all these surfaces are rectangular in shape. So if we kind of make a net of this, that is to say, if I cut open this box and lay it flat on my paper, how will it look like? So let me begin with the front end, right? So front has the dimensions of 10 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So let us say this is my 10 centimeter by 3 centimeter, and this is the front part, right? So let me write this as the front. Now, so that is my top portion. So if I open it up, so this is my front and then that is the top. So in the top, the side length is 5 centimeters, but this length is 10, which is common. So it is kind of like this. That becomes 5, right? So that becomes the top portion, right? So we are talking about this now. So that is top. And if we can slide open the back, it is also having a width of 5. So in that case, we'll have a rectangle with 5 here also, right? So it opens up kind of like this. So that means we have got the bottom part. And now the back one can be opened up. The side dimensions for back is 3 units, 3 centimeters. So let's draw this. So that is the back portion. On the sides, if I flip open these two sides, what do I get? So I get the right side and the left side, correct? So the side dimensions, is 3 times 5, right? So that is being opened. So we have the front, which is 3, and when I open this up in this fashion, then that is the dimension which you will see goes on the right side, right? So that is how the sides will be. Correct. So we have 2 sides here. Let me call this as the right side and the left side. Right. So now it becomes kind of set of rectangles, and we can add their surface areas to get the combined surface area of our rectangle. So that is how you should actually figure it out. So I hope it is very simple now. So in this, what you know here is that this dimension here is 10 centimeters, right? So this is 10 centimeters. And if you open this up, so this top and bottom has same width, correct? So the top and bottom width is 5 centimeters, as you can see, right? So this is 5 centimeter each. However, the front has, these are equal dimensions, correct? Let me put 3 bars here, and these are equal dimensions, and these are 3 each, correct? So these are 3 each, and the back portion is also with 3 units. So let me put 3 dots here. So this is also 3 centimeters. Now that gives us now the rectangle area. So what we can find here is that the total dimensions of this is the side which opens up. This is your side which opens up. It has 3 times 5. This length is 5, correct? So that is equal to top, which is 5, correct? So now you can actually combine the total surface area of each opened net and then get the answer. So what we get from here is that the surface area is equal to area of top plus area of front, area of bottom, and area of back. As you can see, area of top and bottom is same. Area of front and back is same, correct? So you can multiply them by 2, correct? So we say, well, we can say top area. So we can say top area plus front area plus bottom area plus back area plus two sides plus two side areas, right? Two side areas. So I kind of combined it like this. But you can see from here that the top and bottom area is also same, so that can be combined. The front and the back is also same, so they can also be combined. Sorry. So we could write this as 2 times, we can say the top area because they are same, correct? So we can 2 times top area, and we have 2 times front area since front and back is same. So we can take 2 times common plus 2 times front area plus side area. Do you see that? So basically we see in a rectangular prism, top and bottom is same, front and back is same, and the 2 sides have exactly same area. So we could find area of these 3 sets, combine them, and then multiply by 2. So that is what we are going to do now. Well, you can individually find each area and also add, correct? Well, we're coming up with a simple formula to do surface area of a rectangular prism, and that is how we can justify our formula, right? So the surface area for a rectangular prism is sum of the areas of front, side, and top times 2, right? So the order can be changed. So the top area for us is 10 times 5. So we have 10 times 5 plus the front area is 10 times 3, right? So 10 times 3 plus the side area is 3 times 5. All are in centimeters, so the answer is in centimeters square. Okay, so now we can combine. So we get 50 plus 30 plus 15, right? Centimeters square, and that is 2 times 50 plus 30 is 80 plus 95, correct? So 5 less than 100 centimeters square, and now you can multiply by 2. So 10 less than 200, right? So 190 centimeters square, right? So 10 less than 200. That is another way of calculating, but you can always double it. 2 times 5 is 10, 1, 2 times 9 is 18, and 1 is 19. So for this particular tissue box, the surface area is 190 centimeters square. Now you should also understand what it means. It means that if the tissue box is made up of paper, hard paper, then the quantity of paper required to make this box should have surface area of 190 centimeters square without any wastage, correct? Sometimes the question could be, let me add that question for you. The question is, if the wastage in making of a tissue box is 10%, find the area of material required, right? So the question here is, find material required for this tissue box if the wastage is 10%. So quickly scribble this, but I've told you what I need. Find the material required. It could be hard paper or some good quality paper, or it could be a reused paper, whatever it is. Find the material required for this tissue box if the wastage is 10%, right? So that is exact value. it has to be more, right? So what is that value? So that is your test question for from here. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.